Hello beauties, my name is Faith and welcome to my new channel. On this channel here, I will be sharing with you guys natural hair care, beauty, lifestyle, and everything else in between. So if you like watching videos like that, then go ahead and subscribe down below. Now, I didn't really want this video to be a full introduction video because I want you guys to get to know me as my channel continues, and honestly, I just wanted to get right into creating content for you guys. So for today's video, I will be sharing with you guys my curly hair routine. This is something that I get asked about quite often. People are always asking me how I do my hair and what products I use, and I just felt like this was the best time to share this with you guys. So let me stop rambling and let's just get right into the video. So here you guys can see I have my hair up in a high bun, which is my go-to hairstyle for the week. It's just a super easy and super convenient hairstyle. And taking that bun down, this is how my hair is looking completely out. Before getting started, I like to part my hair into 4 different sections, which I feel like makes the process of doing my hair so much easier. So that's what you guys will be seeing me doing here. Grabbing a section from the back, I go in with some water. I like to get my hair fairly wet for my routine because it really helps with distributing the product throughout my hair. So once my hair is pretty damp, I use my Cream of Nature leave-in conditioner spray, which clearly you guys can tell I use this quite often. So you guys will see me shaking it up to activate the ingredients in the bottle. I love this product because it gives me a lot of shine and moisture. I personally prefer using leave-in sprays instead of the leave-in creams because unfortunately most leave-in creams end up leaving residue in my hair. So I stick with the sprays and they never do me wrong. Next, I go in with my Cream of Nature Argan Oil Twist and Curl Pudding Cream. This cream is literally the best. Definitely one of my favorites because it's a very thick cream and is very moisturizing without leaving any residue. After I'm finished with that area of my head, I go ahead and clip it back so it's out of the way, and then I go ahead and start the same steps with the next sections. So again, spraying that section with some water first. Working that water throughout my hair. Then going back in with that leave-in spray. And then eventually followed by the Twist and Curl Pudding Cream. Now when I get to the front of my head, I usually separate the section I'm working on in half. This helps me make sure I'm getting to every strand for better definition towards the front. Once I've gotten through all my hair, I end up grabbing an oil. This time I'm using my African Pride Black Castor Miracle Oil, which I absolutely love the smell of. I just apply that oil all around my head and through my ends. Sometimes if my hair doesn't turn out as defined as I want it to be, I will go back in with my Argan Oil Eco Style gel only on the front part of my hair. I don't like using the gel throughout my entire head because it weighs down my hair too much. And that's it, you guys. So in total, this routine takes me about 30 to 45 minutes to do, and it leaves my hair feeling super moisturized and refreshed. All products used will be linked in the description box. If y'all have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys next time.